So the nice people over at Nunet sent me over this steamer and wok for free to give my honest feedback on. So this is very convenient. It comes very well packed. I absolutely love all the items in here. It's really simple to get going. If you're looking into any kind of wok or steamer, this is a great option. I like to do a lot of food prepping. So this really does make things very convenient for me. If you guys are out there looking for a great option as far as food prepping, this is definitely one of those. Highly recommend it. I'm going to get into it right now. Okay, so I'm getting things going here. So the first thing I wanted to do on this was to kind of get things, it says the initial start to put some water in, steam it, so it kind of cleans the actual pan, that kind of thing. So I really love that you can kind of toggle through all the different options as far as the cooking, the hot pot, the slow cook, there's the soup porridge, steam, and preset options. And you can just follow the directions right by this. This is super convenient. And then, so I'm just running this through the first time just to kind of see how things go. Put the steamer on. So this would be great for steaming rice as well down there on the bottom. But on here, I'm gonna probably do some vegetables. Steam some vegetables really lightly. I don't like to over steam them because then they kind of lose their nutritional value if it's over steamed. That's just a tip that I've learned over the years. So highly recommend this. This is very cool. You can see it's going right now. Condensation's on top here. If you do any kind of meal prepping or cooking and you just want to be able to kind of set it and go, this is an awesome option. Highly recommend this. Hope this helps.